Hello everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best offers on the Maxbounty affiliate CPA network. So if you look at my screen right now, you can see that I'm logged in into Maxbounty, and I get the question almost daily is how I find my winning offers. And that's actually a pretty complicated question because you have to go all the way back through the affiliate network to answer that question. So basically, first of all, you have to decide which vertical you're in. So in affiliate CPA terminology, a vertical would mean a category. So the category for me is sweepstakes. So when I type single opt-in in the search bar, almost all sweepstake offers will be there. So one thing to take into consideration when you're looking for your best offer is the earnings per click. Meaning this is a network average. All the people, all the affiliates who are promoting these offers are sending traffic through their affiliate links to Maxbounty, and the earnings per click is the average earnings per click of any affiliate on the network promoting this offer. So let's have a look at this voucher. So these are new vouchers, that's why the EPC is all the same, so it's not a good example. Let's pick, this one is also not a good one. Let's pick this one. Active view, £500 for the UK to spend on Primark. So that the earnings per click will be 2 cents. However, the earnings per click for £1,000 is 9 cents, which is obviously way higher, almost 450% higher. So what this will mean is the difficult part is, obviously you want to look at earnings per click, but you have to take in consideration what are the traffic methods that are allowed. Because social traffic, the earnings per click are usually quite higher than, for instance, pop traffic. So for pop traffic, it might be 1 cent per click, probably less. And for social traffic, it might be 20 cents per click, and then it evens out at maybe 2 cents or maybe 9 cents. So to be sure, you have to ask your affiliate manager what the average earning per click is for the offer ID. So you just say, hi Bianca, for the offer ID, which one we're looking at, 14845, I would like to know for social PPC, pay per click, what the average earnings per click is. And she will probably not tell you 2 cents or 9 cents. She will probably come with like 15 to 25 cents, something like that. So that is important, the earnings per click, the vertical, but also what suits you as a marketer. So that you might say like, that has nothing to do with Maxbounty. It doesn't, but it is very important. So when I started out, I promoted a lot of holiday offers because I like to enjoy holiday. I know what I'm looking for. Like I want to see like the blue water, the boats, the sun, the beach, like those kind of things. So that's what I used in my ads. I used to promote a lot of Xbox and PlayStation offers. Why? Because I used to game a lot. And if you promote these offers, you can relate to your audience and promote it way easier. I tried to promote groceries, for instance. It didn't work at all in the beginning because when I buy groceries, I go in, I grab anything I want and I go out. I don't make a list like these people who can win money for groceries. For instance, I think Argos is a grocery store. I'm not sure, but like these people have a way different mindset, and you really have to think about what they think about. And you might say like, oh, I don't have to think about it anyway. I will just make ads and I will make money. Yeah, you will make money. You'll maybe make $100, but that's the difference between potentially you and me. You make $100. I think of my audience and I make $100,000. So that's the big difference. If you want to find the best offers, look for the vertical you have experience with or where your interest lays. Look at the earnings per click, but also pick something that you are comfortable with. For instance, I would never run a Coco Chanel perfume thing because the chance that I can relate to somebody who's wearing Coco Chanel, probably not that much. Like the thing is, I have to be honest, like if I would run it, I would run it perfectly right now because you have so much experience. Like this year alone, I've probably launched like tens of thousands of ads. That's why I know I can basically work every angle right now. But as a beginner, if you are looking for the best offers, you might not want to test those. Especially For instance, win an iPhone. Just stay away from iPhone offers if you run social PPC. It's very hard to angle. Anything like this is not gonna work that well. Buy a mystery shopper, that's pretty cool. So if you look at, I don't know what Dijs is though, but here, Starbucks. Consumer review, those are testing offers, yeah. So mystery shopper. So mystery shopper for Starbucks. Like a lot of people like coffee. Who gets coffee? People who are busy. Like you can probably target this on on Instagram pretty well. And the thing is, if you go through this list, then let's take me for example. Let's say what I would run. So not this. Yeah, Primark. I could probably run like. I don't like the store personally, but I can relate to people who shop at Primark. So this is Primark Mystery Shopper. Then I already have one offer. Let's see. Paper Chase. It's also, I think, close. Primark. So I already have 4 offers I could run. Sony TV. That's pretty cool. Starbucks, as I said. Hisense TV. GoPro. That's like all kinds of things I could angle pretty good. Disneyland. Yeah, Sarah maybe, but like Pandora, nah, I don't know nothing about, like, those are bracelet things, right? MAC lipstick, that's things I probably never run, because I don't know why you should buy a lipstick. Like, why do you pick certain color? All those things, like, who knows? Probably if you have a female media buyer on your team, she could run this pretty well. And that's nothing to do with sexism or racism or whatever. It's just because she knows, because she used the actual stuff. And I assume most men don't. But yeah, so just to conclude, how do you find the best offer on the Maxbounty CPA affiliate network? It all has to do with personal preference a lot. The vertical you have experience with, the categories you have, so the vertical you have experience with, but I said categories, but I want to say offers. The offers you are comfortable with is very important. The earnings per click are to be taken into consideration. But the final and last point is obviously testing. You have to test to see what works. If you're going to ask me, Colin, which offer will make me the most money? I will tell you all of them. Because these offers are online, because people are earning money with it. They might not all be like super profitable, but you can make money. You just have to find the angle. You have to be creative on how it works. That's the most important part. So don't go messaging me in my Facebook group asking, how do I make money? Because just follow my videos. If you want to ask, what's the best offer on Maxbounty? It depends on the country, your experience, your preference. I cannot tell you what to run, but if you tell me all these things, I can give you an indication. But you can probably give yourself the indication as well. It is not that difficult. Stop overcomplicating things and start taking action. Start implementing, start testing some actual offers. Type in, if you want to run sweepstakes, SOI in the search bar. Pick 5 offers. So you have like, there's probably maybe, 25 to 50 offers. You have 5 pages. Pick 5. Pick all of them. If you pick fashion, pick all of them in fashion. If you pick theme parks, pick all of them in theme parks. If you pick consumables like coffee, pick all of them in consumables. If you pick gaming, pick all of them in gaming. So you are comfortable in your own space. Let it run and get results. Hopefully that's how it should go, at least. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be coming out with a lot more CPA content.